Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today's the day that my Agapanthus come out of hibernation. They've been kept well dry. I don't know if you can see the compost there is really shrunk down the edges. So what I do is I fetch them out onto the lawn, give them really good water. It takes 2 or 3 good soakings. You have to rehydrate the compost. We're putting these on, I think, into other pots. But the reason I'm making this video is just to show you what I go about doing when I fetch them out. Any flower shoots from last year, I get my secateurs, get in there and get them cut back. Also then get all the dead leaves from last year. Give them a good pull off, like so. I can be brutal, but it makes them look a lot nicer. Spin them round like so. And any ones that are really tight in that you don't want to pull, just use the scissors and you can just cut these off with the scissors. Like I said, these are going to get repotted into bigger pots. But yeah, once you've given them a good clean all the way around, nearly there. Give them another good water and feed then. As long as there's just one more secateur. There we go. So that's that one first done. As you can see, they've gone all to one side because they've not had much light where they've been stored. But they'll soon fill back out and start looking fine again. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's so nice. I'll give them another water, give them another feed. Then I'm going to put them in some bigger pots. I'll make a video about that later. But yeah, that's taking your Agapanthus out of storage, what to do, how to get them ready for this season. So yeah, get them well watered. I will give them a feed, I will repot them. And then I'll get some beautiful flowers off these. This is called Queen Mum, I think, this one. So I started off with 2 9cm plants. 3 or 4 years later I've got all these, so any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing, keep safe everybody. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you, bye.